Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to update all drivers on Windows 11. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Keeping your drivers up to date is very important because it helps your PC or laptop run smoothly and prevents bugs, errors, and performance issues. The first way to do this is through Windows Settings. From your desktop, go down to the search box in the taskbar and type Settings, then open it from the results. Once the Settings window opens, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Windows Update. Here, click the Check for Updates button and wait while Windows scans for available updates. If any updates appear, click Download and Install, and once everything is finished, restart your computer to apply the changes. After that, while still on the Windows Update screen, scroll down a little and click on Advanced Options. On the next screen, scroll down to Additional Options and select Optional Updates. This section may include feature updates, quality updates, and driver updates. If any driver updates are available, click on them, expand the list to see what drivers are included, tick the checkbox, and then click Download and Install. Once again, restart your PC to make sure the updates are properly applied. Another way to update all drivers on Windows 11 is by using Device Manager. From your desktop, go back to the search box in the taskbar, type Device Manager, and open it from the results. When Device Manager opens, you'll see a list of all the hardware and devices installed on your system, such as display adapters, Bluetooth, network adapters, and more. You can manually update drivers from here by clicking the small arrow next to any category, right-clicking on a specific device, and selecting Update Driver. Then choose Search automatically for drivers, and Windows will check if a newer driver is available. If your driver is already up to date, it will let you know. You can repeat this process for different devices to make sure everything is fully updated. And that's it. So that's basically how you can update all drivers on Windows 11. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.